So my headlight burned off last night, and I looked it up on YouTube because I saw that it was hard to get in there to change it. Well, a lot of people were saying that you have to change this plastic, even remove the air filter box right there to get in there. Some other people were saying that you had to take off the grill. I don't know if it was on the older models, but this 2022 Bighorn 3500 has an opening right here that you can get in there to change it as easy as in 1 minute. After removing the cover that comes on top of the opening right here, as you can see in there, you just got to switch it and close it back in, and you're done.